Hey there, everyone. So my husband just asked me to come around to the back of the garden. He's like, yeah, I thought I'd prune the plum tree. Prune the plum tree. Let me show you what pruning the plum tree looks like. There is our newly shorn plum tree. I wish I had a before and after to show you of what it looked like before. But maybe this pile of what he cut off the tree will give you an idea of what's actually happened. I mean, it's like going from long hair to a buzz cut. Wow. So, I got that song in my head, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. And I'm hoping that applies to the plum tree. But what I am gonna do is I'm gonna protect all the bits of the tree that have been cut off, because these are like open wounds right now. So the product I'm gonna use is pine tar. It's like pine tree resin. And basically I will paint it onto all the bits of the tree that have been cut off to sort of seal those wounds and prevent the tree getting infected. This stuff stinks. It's super, super thick. It's like molasses. Ooh. I bet you didn't know that was part of gardening, eh?